Unit number 9, surface area and volume. Unit number 9, surface area and volume. We have a few objects: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, hemisphere, sphere. First of all, we have to remember the formulas of surface area and the volume. Then we have a few exercises to solve this sums. First of all, object name is cuboid. The figure of cuboid is shown in here. The volume is LBH. Lateral surface area or curved surface area is 2H L plus B, and the total surface area is 2 into L B B H H L. In same way, cube is all sides are equal, so the volume become A cube. Surface area or curved lateral surface area is 4A square, and the total surface area is 6A square. In same way, circular right angle circular cylinder. The figure of cylinder is as shown here. Volume is pi r square h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. TSA is 2 pi r plus h plus r. In same way, right circular cone. Here we have three parameters h, r, l. There is a one relation of a Pythagoras theorem: h square plus r square equals to l square. So the volume becomes 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area is pi r l. TSA is pi r l, pi r l plus r. Sphere. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Surface area is curved surface area is 2 pi r square. TSA is 4, curved surface area is 4 pi r square. TSA is also 4 pi r square. Hemisphere. Volume is half of sphere, means 2 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square, and TSA is 3 pi r square. You have to note down these formulas in your notebook. Will be useful for the sums of exercise 13.1 up to 6 to 7 exercise. Exercise 13.1, question number 1. A plastic box of 1.5 meter long, wide 1.25 meter and wide 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at top. Ignoring the thickness of plastic sheet, determine the area required of sheet for making box. The cost of sheet, if manufacturing sheet measuring 1 meter square costs 20 rupees, what is the cost of total sheet? We know that LBH, it should be converted in all into the meters. So 1.5, 1.25 and 65 centimeter is 0.65 meter. First of all, it is open from the top. So the surface area becomes lateral surface area and the area of a base, means these are the four sides of a rectangle and one base area, because it is open from one end. So 2 into L, this is L, 2 into L plus B into H plus LB. Putting the value of 2 into 1.5 plus 1.25 into 0.65 plus 1.50 into 1.25. By solving this, 1.250 plus 1.25, which is equals to 2.75. 2.75 is multiplied with 2 and 0.65, and we have to add it later, 1.875. This it came from a multiplication of 1.5 and 1.25. By adding all this, we get a 5.45 meters square of sheet is required for it. So the area of sheet required for making a box is 5.45 meters square. 1 meter cost sheet is 20 rupees. So the cost of 5.45 meters sheet is 20 into 5.45, which is equals to 1.90. 20 into 5.45. So the cost of required sheet is 1.109 rupees, means 20 into 5.45 rupees. Question number 2. The length, breadth, height of a room is 5, 4, 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing over walls of room and the ceiling at the rate of 17.50 per meter square. First of all, whitewash can be done, which is equals to L into B. The length of room is 5 meter, breadth of room is 4 meter, height of room is 3 meter. Room is like a cuboid whose four walls are lateral surface and ceiling is to be whitewashed. So, area of lateral surface equals 2 into L plus B into H plus L into B. Putting the value of LBH, first of all, L plus into 2 means 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, or 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 3 plus 5 into 4, 18 into 3 which is equals to 54 and 5 into 4 which is equals to 20. By adding 54 and 20 we will get equals to 74 meters square. So the cost of whitewash for 1 meter square is 7.50. So cost of whitewashing of 74 meter which is equals to 7.50 into 74 which is equals to 555 means 7.50 is multiplied with 74. So the required cost of whitewash is equals to 555. Question number 3. The floor of rectangular hall having a perimeter 250. Here we have a perimeter. We don't have any length, breadth, height. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of 10 meters square is rupees 15,000, find the height of a hall. A rectangular hall means a cuboid length and breadth of all be L into B, L and B. So perimeter of floor equals 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B which is equals to 250. So L plus B, area of four walls equals to lateral surface area which is equals to 2 bracket L plus B into H, where the height is H is the height of a hall. So which is equals to 250 H meters square. So the cost of painting of four walls which is equals to 10 into 250 H which is equals to 2500 H. So 2500 H is equals to 15,000 rupees which is equals to 15,000 divided by 2500 which is equals to 6 meter. So the required height of hall is 6 meter. Question number 4. The paint in certain container is sufficient to paint the area of equals to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimension this can be painted out of the container? Total area of painted is 9.375. The length of brick is 22.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 7.5 centimeter. First of all, TSA which is equals to 2 into LB, BH and HL. Putting the value of LB, BH, HL which is equals to 2 into 20, 2 to 5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. By solving this we will get the value which is equals to 937.5 centimeters square. So the length of a number of bricks being n. So the total surface area of n bricks which is equals to n into 937 meters square. So n into 937.5 meters square upon 10,000. This is upon 10,000 which is equals to 9375 upon 1000 meters square. By solving this 1000 and this 10,000, three zeros are cancelled out. So remaining 10. So 9375 upon 937.5. One 10 is here, another 10 is here, so which is becomes equals to n equals to 100. So the required number of bricks which is equals to 100. Rest one question you have to solve yourself, question number 5 in your notebook. Thank you, students.